Good morning student. In my previous video we have completed exercise 1.4 and today I will start exercise 1.5. The first question is classify the following number as rational or irrational. The first question is 2 minus root 5. Now 2 is a rational and root 5 is irrational number. So rational minus irrational, it is irrational number. So this number is irrational. 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. Root 3 is subtracted, so we get 0. 3 plus 0, it's come 3. In denominator is nothing, we can assume 1. So it is coming in the form of P upon Q. So we can say this number is also a rational number. Now question third is 2 root 7 upon 2 root 7. Now root 7 is cancelled by root 7, 2 is cancelled by 2. Answer is coming 1. In denominator is nothing, we can assume as 1. So it is coming in P upon Q form, so we can say it is also a rational number. The fourth sum is 1 upon root 2. 1 is rational and root 2 is irrational. So it is irrational number. 2 and pi, the 2 is rational and pi is irrational. When rational multiply by irrational, we can get irrational number. Our second question is simplify each of the following expression. The first sum is 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. Now 3 is multiplying by this whole bracket, 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 is multiplying by 2 plus root 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 into root 2, it comes 3 root 2. Root 3 multiply by 2, you can write 2 first and then root 3. Root 3 multiply by root 3, it's come 3 2s are 6. Now 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, it's come 3 2s are 6. Now we can't add any of the number because each terms are different to each other. This is the simple number 6, this is 3 root 2 and here 2 root 3. So they are unlike terms, so we can't do addition. So this is our final answer. Our second question is 3 plus root 3. 3 minus root 3. Now 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. So we now to solve this sum, I can use a identity. It is a plus b and it is a minus b. So our identities is a square minus b square. So this is my a, it is a square minus this is my b, root 3 whole square. So 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3 we can get 3 only. So root 3 into root 3 we get 3. So 9 minus 3 I get 6. ठीक है ना सर अभी. Now our third sum is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Now see, this is the identity a plus b whole square, and a plus b whole square expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is our a and this is our b. So a square, a value is root 5 whole square 2. A's value is root 5 because no sign is, it means it is multiplied. So put in the bracket b is root 2 plus b square root 2 whole square. Now root 5 into root 5 is 5. 2 root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 into root 2 root 5 into root 5. Now root 5 into root 5 I get 5. 2, 5 into 2, 10. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now 5 and 2s are like terms. 2 root 10 is unlike terms, so I can add 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 2 root 10, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root 10. This is your final answer. Root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. Now see, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b and a plus b. It is our identity, that is a square minus b square. So our a is 5 square root 5 minus our b is root 2 whole square. Now root 5 into root 5 minus root 2 into root 2, root 5 into root 5, 5, root 2 into root 2, 2, 5 minus 2, it is 3. This is our final answer. Question number 3 is over. Now we'll start with question number 3. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter, say D, that is pi is equal to C upon D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve these contradictions? Now see, they have given us the the value of, means the pi is equal to C upon D. Now we can say C upon D, it is coming in the form of P upon Q. This is the C and D are rational number because it is coming in the form of P upon Q. But we know that pi is irrational number and irrational number cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. So C and D are rational and pi is irrational number. तो इससे हमें ये पता चलता है, इट्स मीन्स कि आइदर C अगर रैशनल है, आइदर इट मीन्स के आइदर C और D इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक इरेशनल नंबर है और या दोनों ही इरेशनल नंबर्स है. ठीक है, तो सी हमारे पास 3 कंडीशंस थी इन प्रीवियस हमने क्लासीफाई किया था 1.1 का फर्स्ट में, कि उसमें हमने क्लासीफाई करके बताया था रैशनल कौन होता है और इरेशनल्स कौन से होते हैं. नाउ सी, अगर इरेशनल नंबर डिवाइड बाय रैशनल नंबर तो हमें क्या मिलता है, इरेशनल नंबर ही मिलता है. अगर रैशनल नंबर न्यूमरेटर में है और इरेशनल नंबर डिनोमिनेटर पे, देन ऑल्सो वी गेट इरेशनल नंबर. अगर दोनों न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में इरेशनल नंबर है, देन ऑल्सो वी गेट इरेशनल नंबर. तो नाउ सी, तीनों से हमारे पास अगर सी हमारा इरेशनल है और डी हमारा रैशनल है तब भी ये इरेशनल है. अगर हमारा डी इरेशनल है, हमारा सी रैशनल है, तभी भी ये इरेशनल है. अगर दोनों इरेशनल है तभी भी ये इरेशनल है. तो वी कम टू द कंक्लूजन्स दैट के पाई इज़ अ इरेशनल नंबर.